You can search and check whole over the YouTube. Nobody can explain like me. I will explain like a simple way, the best approach in the world in front of you. Let's we draw first. This is F1 force and this is F2 force. That is 375 pound. Okay. Separately, you have to drawing this, otherwise you can't understand my approach. Here a line draw with parallel to the F1 force and also similar parallel to the F2 force. I also solved this question by rectangular component or component, but you have to solve this parallelogram law using parallelogram law. Otherwise, any logical method is correct. Anyway, this angle is 90 degree perpendicular x-axis and y-axis, but this is 60 degree. Then this is 60, 90 minus 30, upper portion is 30, then this is 60. Then the total angle between two vector tail to tail 60 plus 45 105, but tail to tail. Watch and look. Just keep on your mind, this is tail to tail angle, not head to tail. I also use a tail to tail formula, resultant formula. Where is the resultant? Resultant drawing from the diagonal. Which diagonal? Draw from the joining point tail to tail. Resultant formula what? R equal to under root of f1 square f2 square plus, not minus, plus, okay, f1 square plus f2 square plus 2 f1 f2 cos 105 degree. I know your book have so the minus formula, a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta, but that is head to tail angle. If you take the angle tail to tail, you have to use this formula, tail to tail. Otherwise, this is head to tail. This angle is obviously 75 because both angle adding 180. This is 105, so this is 75. If you take this angle, then what will be the formula? Yes, then the formula is minus 2ab. That is f1 square plus f2 square minus 2f1 f2 cos 75 degree. So remember two things. First one, if you take tail to tail, then plus. If you take head to tail angle, then minus. Now question says that f1 equal to 250 pound. Yes, not I am telling you. Question says that only data. Very easy, no tension. f2 equal to 375 pound. Just putting the value of f1 and f2, automatically answer pops out. Please drop your comment. At first calculate and simplify, then drop your comment the answer in my YouTube section. Okay. So answer will be 393.2 lb. This is your resultant vector. Now question asks that counterclockwise angle. At first you have to find the angle between resultant or f1. Resultant and f1. What is the formula? This is suppose r1. Maybe it's below of the x-axis, maybe upper of the x-axis, I don't know. But actually I know this is below of the x-axis. Why I draw upper of the x-axis. Okay. So this angle, what is the formula? This is the alpha. So alpha equal to what? At first you draw x-axis, y-axis, anything designing, just painting, sketching, drawing. Whatever you do like, man, but do it correctly. Alpha equal to, I teach you in my theoretical portion. If you don't watch, please kindly watch theoretical portion. Parallelogram Law Statics 1. Engineering Statics Lecture 1. You can go in my playlist. Alpha equal to tan inverse b sin theta a plus b cos theta. Remember, theta is tail to tail, not head to tail. Tail to tail. If you remember this formula, you don't have to use cosine formula. This is the best approach in the world. Okay. So theta equal to tail to tail, just you have to remember it. And A equal to F1, B equal to F2. Just putting the value B equal to F2, that is 375 sine 105 degree. Sine 105 degree. Okay. Similarly, divided by A. A is the F1 divided by A plus B sine theta. A is the F1. F1 means again 250. And B cos theta, that is F2 cos theta, that is F2 375 cos 105. This is 67.1 degree. What the meaning of that? That meaning the resultant below x-axis. Because x-axis resultant below x-axis, because you can say why? Because already 60 degree. Vector and this already 60 degree. So this is 67 degree. So 100% obvious this is below x-axis. So total is 67 degree. But this angle is 60 degree. Then the x-axis and the resultant. What is 60 minus 67 minus 60? Yani ki 7 degree something. Yes or no? Yes. So x-axis 7 degree something, but whole round is 360 degree counterclockwise. Minus 7, that is 350 degree. Your answer 352 point something. Your answer. Okay. I think you understood till now. Thank you so much. Awesome. Total 60. This is 67. So this small percent 7 degree, but counterclockwise. That's why minus.